from the gonadotropin-sensitive pool, and the first follicular wave begins. Follicles recruited during the first follicular wave, at metaestrus, begin to grow. Notice that follicles are recruited from all over the ovary. Recruited follicles grow and develop into selected follicles. Not all of the recruited follicles will continue to grow. Some undergo atresia and degenerate. As the corpus luteum continues to grow, a few of the recruited follicles also continue growing and become larger, selected follicles. A few of these will develop into dominant follicles. All of the recruited, selected, and dominant follicles will undergo atresia during metaestrus. As the corpus luteum continues to grow, the female enters diestrus. A new wave of follicles is recruited from the gonadotropin-sensitive pool, and the second follicular wave begins. Again, some recruited follicles grow into selected follicles, while some undergo atresia. Like in the first wave, some selected follicles become dominant follicles, but most undergo atresia. Finally, all recruited, selected, and dominant follicles undergo atresia. None reach the pre-ovulatory stage because gonadotropin levels are suppressed by the negative feedback of progesterone secreted by the corpus luteum. If the female does not become pregnant, the corpus luteum will undergo luteolysis, and progesterone secretion from the corpus luteum will decrease rapidly. The female has now entered proestrus, and recruited follicles begin to grow into selected follicles. Corpus luteum size and the secretion of progesterone rapidly declines. Now gonadotropin concentrations are high, and some of the dominant follicles become pre-ovulatory follicles. Finally, the pre-ovulatory follicle will ovulate. Even during the third follicular wave, most of the recruited follicles will undergo atresia because inhibin from the pre-ovulatory follicle has suppressed